Hello again everyone, welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Panini Titanium box break number 29. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. Just before I start with the break, I do appreciate the business. I wouldn't be able to do this without you guys, so thank you very much. Like I said, I do appreciate it. Here's the serial number, NE181 135 646. Let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everyone. Here we go, pack one. We have base. We have a game worn gear jersey card for the Boston Bruins of Brad Marchand. And base. Pack two. We have base, and we have a redemption. We have a game worn gear autographs. This hit will be for Anaheim, Jeff Delorier. I'm pretty sure that's how you say the poor guy's name. Base or Anaheim. That redemption's for the Ducks. And base. Pack three. We have base. We have a hat-tricks trio triple jersey between Carey Price, Henrik Lundqvist, and Tim Thomas. So this will be randomized at the end between Montreal, the Rangers, and Boston. 173 out of 199. We'll do that at the end. And base. Pack four. We have base and base. We have a new wave auto hit for the Devils of Adam Henrique. Decoy and base. And final pack. Base. We have a nice game worn gear jersey prime short print 1 of 50 for the Detroit Red Wings of Jimmy Howard. It's a nice hit for the Red Wings. And base. So let me just set up the random. 1 second, guys. This is for the hat-tricks card between Montreal, the Rangers, and Boston. So I'll randomize this list 3 times. Whoever's on top, the card goes to you. There you go. So you have 1, 2, and 3. So Boston, that's your card. You end up with the hat-tricks triple jersey card of the 3 goalies. So for those of you who haven't heard the announcement, I do have my own website up and running, breakawaysc.com. You can go to our site and you can register for an account. We're giving away a free box of Ultimate Collection for everyone that enters in August. Your name will be put into a draw, and 1 lucky person will get a free box of Ultimate Collection from this year. Also, if you like us on Twitter and follow us on Facebook, or start the other way around. No, that's right. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. Your name will be put in an additional 2 times for the monthly draw for August. We're doing live group breaks as well. If you click on the live group breaks tab right here, it'll take you to our BlogTV page. We're doing them every Sunday night, and we're also trying to get them, doing them a few more times in a week. So if you're not too familiar with group breaks, we have our types of group breaks and the rules in our Sunday night group breaks page right here. You can go to it. We do have an 8-box case of titanium. It's a live team draft and there's 29 spots in this break. So how it works is all 29 members in the break will be put into random.org. We'll randomize the list between 1 and 6 times depending on what we decide on BlogTV on Sunday night. And if you end up first after the list has been randomized, then you get first pick. So if you take Edmonton, then you have Edmonton and it carries through all 8 boxes. And we just go from pick 1 to 29. Once all the draft is done, we'll open up the case and all the hits will be sent out to you guys. Also, for one lucky person in this break, the 29 spot break, we're giving away this Sean Couturier Panini Contenders rookie card. And also, we do have a few like case breaks listed as like a team style, how you guys bid on these spots here in this draft. We have one ending Sunday. It's a titanium 8-box case. We also have one ending Wednesday. Plus we have an Ultimate Collection case that's ending Monday night. So you'll be able to bid on those as well. They're on our eBay store and they're all listed on eBay. So if you guys are interested, it'd be great. And it's a good way to get you guys on BlogTV and watching some boxes get open. It's kind of exciting. So hopefully I see you guys register on the site and hope to see you on BlogTV. So thank you very much again for watching, and I do appreciate your business. Thank you.